So yan, hello po mga kabisyo. Siyempre kasama niyo na po DJ Lala Banderas for yet another session ngayong araw na to and nagising ako na I'm feeling special. Totoo. At ngayong araw na to, wala po talagang halong biro. Itong araw na to may halong kaba po sa puso ko. Hindi ko po alam kung bakit ko pinasok yung mga pinasok ko sa buhay. Pero hindi lang kasi isa yung special na taong kasama natin ngayong araw na to. Dalawa po sila. So imagine may taranta. Yung taranta levels ko po kung ang scale natin ay 1 to 100, nasa 200 po ako ngayon. Ay nako sa mga kabisa natin, today is a special day and nakita niyo naman sa title, very bigate na makakasama natin ngayong araw na to. And I want you guys to share this Facebook Live, lalong-lalo na po sa mga fans ng mga kasama ko today, and I am one of them. I've been following them for quite some time now. Yung isa simula pa nung Sugar Pop days niya. Yung isa talaga, sinubaybayan ko. Ultimo yung Mobile Legends stream niya na gumagamit siya ng Balmond. Nanonood ako, guys. Kaya naman, I'm very happy to have them today. At kanina nung nagpasok kami dito sa Zoom, short kwento lang, short chika lang. Sa totoo lang daw ako makapagsalita. Nakasmile lang ako, tas mukha akong confident. Pero sa totoo, I'm dying inside. So without further ado, let me introduce to you. It's my pleasure to introduce to you guys our special guest mga kabisyo ngayong araw na to. One is the Asia's romantic balladeer, the one and the only, kinikilig ako, Mr. Christian Bautista, and ayan, napaka-pogi, di ba? And ito talaga, guys, aamin na talaga ako, fan talaga kasi ako. And of course, the very, very beautiful, sa Zoom pa lang to, I cannot imagine kung anong itsura niya in person. Please welcome Asia's Limitless, the one and only, star Julie Ann San Jose. Hello po!
Hi everybody!
Hi
Hello.
sa inyo pong dalawa. Hindi po talaga ako nagsasalita kanina pagpasok niyo po ng Zoom kasi I'm dying inside na po.
DJ Lala, kamusta ka dyan?
Okay naman po ako. Masayang-masaya ako ngayon pero
Actually, ikaw talaga yung i-interviewin namin.
Ay, talaga ba? At number nga po ako. Hindi ko alam kung ba't ako
Baliktad, ikaw yung tatanungin namin.
nakakatakot na po. Ngayon pa lang po natatakot na ako. Pero
Gusto ko namin yung background mo color red because it's February.
Yes, ganun po talaga nakiki-Valentine's tayo kahit wala tayong kadate.
Uy!
Maganda lang po ito, mga pailaw lang po, ganyan. Pero ngayong araw na to, I'm very happy to have you guys. Si Sir Christian actually is parang suki na to sa Love Radio kasi ang dami niyang photos with Tanya Chinita. We've been doing concerts and Sir Christian is one of our guests kasi one of the crowd favorite talaga siya. Miss Julie is a one busy artist. Ang hirap mabook. Ang hirap mabook ni Miss Julie at si Sir Christian. So, happy kami na binigyan niyo kami ng oras ngayong araw na to. And hindi na po ako magpapatumpik-tumpik pa. Sa first part, because it's session, we will go deeper dun sa kung sino ba talaga si Julian San Jose at Christian Bautista in real life. Kasi my program is all about advice program and I go deeper into issues and whatnot, and people are expecting me na, alam mo yun, kahit paano kilalanin yung artist natin sa likod ng camera at sa likod ng mikropono. So, uunahin ko na si Miss Julie na napakaganda ngayong araw na to. Miss Julie, meron kasi kaming nasagap, alam mo na, yung mga bubwit natin, nanghiram ako ng bubwit kay Sir Deo Makalma. So, meron tayong mga nasagap. Nasagap natin yung isang kwento, yung isang chika na nung bata ka pa daw, though this one I couldn't imagine, medyo nabiktima ka daw ng bullying. To the point na tinali daw nila yung buhok mo sa window. Don't know why. Going
This is
back
a long
dun sa
time
time
ago.
na yun, bakit nangyari yun at anong ginawa mo habang nangyayari yun, Miss Judy?
This was like a long time ago. I think I was in grade school ata noon. Naalala ko kasi, magkaiba yung building ng intermediate tsaka ng elementary tsaka ng high school. So, I think I was in grade school at that moment. Tapos, I was just like seated at the back. Tapos, may katabi akong kaklasmate ko. Lalaki siya. sobrang haba kasi ng buhok ko before. Tapos, yun, like, I still remember, tinali niya yung hair ko dun sa bar ng window namin dun sa likod. Kasi nasa pinakadulong row ako. Tapos, like, I didn't do anything naman. Like, I was, like, quiet. Tapos, nainis lang ako kasi nga, like, tinatali yung buhok ko sa likod. Medyo masakit na. Hindi naman ako, like, nagsumbong or anything. Basta, like, niyaya ko lang siyang mangyari. Ano na
Pero
yung
going
ginawa?
back,
But,
gusto mo bang gumante? Kunyari ngayon, going back to dun sa day na yun, would you have done anything differently? I mean,
sabi na dyan,
siguro-
na-stress baka ko natin yan ng bully sa'yo. Pero yung kasi, yung mga kaklasmates ko nung grade school ako, hindi ko rin like masyadong ka-close, kanyan. Sobrang iilan lang din talaga yung mga kaibigan ko nung bata din ako. And I've always had a very small circle of friends. Hindi naman ako gumante or anything. Parang wala naman akong idea na pumasok sa utak ko na hindi, gagantihan kita, ganyan. Because it's bad.
Napakabuhay naman ni Miss Julie.
It's
Kung ako
bad.
yan, napak na ako nung grade school ako.
It's bad. Pero naman, like, hindi naman ako umabot sa point hindi naman siya umabot sa point na para, sobrang, alam mo yun, naagrabyado na ako. Pag yung sobrang lala na talaga na yung nangyari, ay, syempre, like, kailangan kong depensahan din yung sarili ko. Hindi mo papaya.
Going back, alam mo, pag iniisip ko ngayon, Miss Julie, kasi yan ay mga kapilyuhan ng mga lalaki. I don't know if Sir Christian would agree with me on this. Pero kapag kasi daw ang lalaki, di ba, continuously teasing someone kapag younger age pa, hindi nila alam kung paano i-express yung emotions nila. Baka may crush sa'yo. Yun din yung sinasabi sa comment section eh. Baka
Parang iba yata yung gusto niya.
Dalawa
Parang
lang
hindi
naman
pang
yun
crush.
eh. Dalawa lang naman yun. Either may crush siya or naiinggit siya na haba ng hair. ni
Mahaba yung
Julie.
hair. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko.
Parang feeling ko yung pangalawa yata yun. Parang
Oo, feeling ko din.
Ayan. At ngayon, going forward with this research, grabe, napaka-detailed na research kay Miss Julie. Nakita namin kasi how you've grown. And me personally, I've watched it. And from the little girl na kumakanta sa Little Miss Philippines, tapos naging member ka ng Sugar Pop, then now, ang dami-dami mo na kasing achievements, including the recipient of a Diamond Record Award from the Philippines Association of the Record Industry. Of all this, Miss Julie, ano pa ba ang gustong ma-achieve ng isang Julie Ann San Jose?
Syempre madami pa akong gustong gawin, marami pa akong gustong ma-discover din sa sarili ko. Actually, parang more on sa sarili ko na lang din eh. Kasi ako, masaya na ako na nakakakanta ako, nakakapagsulat ako ng mga kanta, tapos nasa-share ko to sa mga tao and like nakakapag-inspire ako in my own little way. So parang ako, happy na rin ako doon. Parang sa akin, mas more on sa sarili ko, self-actualization din. Kasi once you reach that point, parang okay na ako, like, okay, contented na ako sa buhay ko. I've served my purpose. Although, like, syempre, may mga little things in between. Like, I haven't tried theater. I haven't tried Broadway. Collaborate with a lot of people, more artists, write for them as well. Mas nagiging fulfilling kasi siya for me kapag, alam mo yun, nagagawa ko yung gusto ko and at the same time, parang happy din sila dun, or like, happy din sila dun sa nagawa ko for them. Ayun.
So, kung theater ang pinag-uusapan natin, ako, tamang-tama yung kasama natin yung araw na to. Kasi talaga si Sir Christian, I think, meron talaga siya mga experience dito. And I'd be happy to watch you on theater, Miss Julie. Now, moving on tayo saglit lang, Miss Julie, kay Sir Christian. Kasi di ko po siya paliligtasin sa mga research na to, na mga bubuwit natin. So, Sir Christian, ano na pong hero yung ginagamit nyo ngayon? Iba pala yung akin. Personal, self-serving.
Kufra.
Ay, Kufra. Hindi ko po talaga ma-perfect yung set na yan, sir, with all honesty. Pag niyayakap ko po siya, laging pabaliktad. Ayan, magduo tayo next time, Sir Christian. Ako na lang susuporta sa iyo. Ayan, ito Sir Christian, wala yung ML wala to sa sa script, pero this one nasa script eh. You've been in the industry for quite some time. And you have a lot of achievements as well yourself. But aside from being a musician, this is something na ako personally ngayon ko lang talaga nalaman. Nabalitaan din namin na may bachelor's degree ka din po in landscape architecture. So my question is, was there any time na na-feel mo na, wait, I want to take a pause dito sa music industry. I think I've done so much sa career ko sa music industry. Now I want to focus on other things. And specifically dito sa landscape architecture industry, have you ever felt na you want to pursue that career?
There was that point na ginusto kong seryosohin siya. Kasi nga, dito sa entertainment industry, meron mga busy months, meron mga slow months. So parang before COVID, parang before the pandemic, naisip ko nga na why not? Sayang naman yung course, ganito, ganyan. And then when I was gonna focus on one project na, the thing also with the entertainment industry, sometimes biglang may dumadating na lang na parang out of the blue. Parang naplano mo na yung buong taon mo, biglang boom, merong opportunity and then you just have to get it. So medyo nasa sideline yung sideline ko sana. parang ang gusto ko na lang gawin is later on, either to partner with my classmates or to maybe form a company or an agency with some landscape architects or architecture graduates na pwedeng gawin itong mga simple projects para I can still use the course. That was 4 years of my life. And I've learned so much na na-apply ko rin dito sa entertainment industry. One very, very important thing na natutunan ko sa landscape architecture or college is simply, for example, submitting your papers or your exams or your assignments on time. Being on time. Being on time sa pagpasok sa eskwela, being on time sa subject, being on time sa call time. Kung ang call time namin sa studio 7, sana nandun na ako ng 6:30 or 6:45 sana. So, marami rin naman ako natutunan. Kulang na lang talaga, lagyan ko ng halaman yung dressing room ko. Pero hindi pa naman ako umabot doon.
Gusto ko yung mga halaman. Alam mo, yung sinabi mo kasi, Sir Christian, that about covers my question, my next question, which is yung advice mo para sa mga taong pinanghihinaan ng loob. Kasi listening to your story, you are not the type of person that goes idle. Kapag merong opportunity dumadating sa'yo, Sir Christian, you just grab it the moment it's presented to you. So, is that how you've always been? Ikaw ba talaga yung opportunity grabber? Hindi ba ikaw yung tipo ng tao na, teka lang, give me 2 months, I'll think about it, and then I'll get back to you kapag napag-aralan ko na? Which one are you po?
To answer you, yes, I am an opportunity grabber. It's not always the right path for someone. Kasi sometimes getting one opportunity that is handed to you ngayon might block a bigger opportunity, di ba? So parang minsan depende pa rin, pero tama ka. As much as possible, kapag may dumating, kinukuha ko.
Gusto ko yung ganong klaseng, yan kasi bravery. If you trust your talents, you trust your skills, ito ay parang reflex mo to grab it kasi you'll nail it. And looking at you, Sir Christian, over the years, you've always nailed what you've been doing. And ngayon, meron akong isang skill mo na nakita ko dito na meron ka daw kakayahan. That is, marunong ka daw, this one I have no idea po marunong ka daw magbahasa. So, pwede nyo po ba silang batiin in bahasa? Ano po ba muna yung bahasa?
Okay, pag umulan ng malakas, bahasa Malabon, bahasa ganon. Pwede rin naman na yun ang tawag sa language ng Indonesia, bahasa Indonesia. Konti lang naman ang alam ko. Ang mga mga I love you, yung mga ganyan. Yung mga thank you. So thank you is terima kasih. I love you is ako chinta kamo. So, yung mga simple lang na ganun. Pero yung full-on na conversation, dati nagagawa ko nung madalas ako dun sa Jakarta. Talagang napapractice ko siya. Pero ngayon medyo hindi ko na siya napapractice. Pero, yeah, I'm actually excited kasi parang ngayon, pag vaccinated ka na, wala nang quarantine, right? So, parang nabasa ko din sa Indonesia, parang green country na yata. I have to double check. So kung pwede na ulit ako mag-tour doon, oh man, I'm gonna be so excited. I'm gonna fly there like right away after All Out Sundays taping. Punta muna doon, tapos balik ulit sa All Out Sunday. Pero yeah, that's something I'm looking forward to speak Bahasa again and to see my Indonesian friends again.
Alam niyo, Sir Christian, even before kami mag-turn on itong live, he's been talking about traveling, grabbing the opportunity to go out of the country and explore. Mukhang ito yung nagiging journey ni Sir Christian ngayon, and I have nothing but envy sa ginagawa niyo, Sir Christian, kasi I don't have the time. Wala tayong time and wala tayong di ko alam, hindi ako pinapayagan ng boss namin mag-leave ng ganyan. Well, anyway,
I've learned a few lessons. Dadagdag ko lang dyan.
Sure po.
Kasi my wife who is here with me, work from home eh. Most jobs now are work from home. So she works here, pero obviously iba lang yung time zones. If you have the opportunity, where are you now, Lala? Are you at home?
Yes, sa Philippines, sa bahay before I go to the office.
When are you needed sa office every week? Sabi nga ni Julie, ikaw ang interview namin eh, di ba? Ito na yan.
Oo nga eh, mukhang napunta ako sa hot seat. 4 hours, Mondays to Sundays. Yeah, 4 hours.
You still have to go physically sa office.
Yes, I still need to.
Okay. Yung iba naman na na hindi pa kailangan pumunta sa office. Meron akong kilala, like kausap ko lang kanina. Ayun, pumunta sa Zambales. Doon siya nag-work from home. Sa isang beach doon. Para merong beach ngayon na nag-o-offer ng mga villas na may internet. So trabaho ka doon. Tapos pagpagod ka, paglabas mo, nasa beach ka na. So parang it's possible. Kahit na hindi out of the country. Maraming magaganda rin places sa Philippines. Basta lang make sure na malakas ang internet.
Totoo.
Yeah, as long as you have the resources, your equipments, and may signal internet para accessible din sa lahat. It's like easier to like do your work and at the same time parang alam mo yun, nakakita ka ng ibang klaseng environment. Tsaka maganda yung atmosphere kung saan ka nagtatrabaho. Kasi mas masarap magtrabaho kapag alam mo yun, masarap, like relax ka. Walang like other than, seeing four corners of your room.
Totoo.
Hindi pa iba nakikita.
Kumbaga yung condition kasi natin ngayon is very chaotic, somewhat nakaka-down. So, if there's anything you can do to change the scenery para mas maging productive ka sa work kasi happy ka, kumbaga yung glow mo ay from within, just do it. And I couldn't agree with you more. Kaya nga po, I envy you guys. Kasi ako kailangan ko na pumasok na opisina talaga, physically in the office. Pero
But
this
it's still
one,
a blessing that you have work. It's still a blessing.
Yes.
I'm very much thankful. Kaya nga po in celebration of our 47th anniversary, we have decided as part of our thank you, ayan, masingit ko lang, as part of our thank you, idodonate namin yung makakalap namin sa fundraising ng Love Radio Manila to MBC Operation Tulong kasi that's our way of saying thank you dun sa mga taong sumusuporta sa amin. Lalo na yung mga taong nawalan sila ng jobs and all. So this is our way of giving back doon sa community na naglagay sa amin sa number 1 spot. Well, anyway po, moving forward, napakarami yung sinishare sa akin na very much fulfilling and useful sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa atin as well, kung paano nila tatahakin yung work from home na situation nila. Na ito na po yung next question. Well, we know this is not your first time na magkatrabaho po kayong dalawa, pero nung sinabi po sa inyo na magko-collab kayo ulit, what was your reaction?
Nalungkot tayo. Hindi, joke lang. may iba naman, hindi. It's always a pleasure and an honor to work with Christian. It always excites me kapag alam kong makakatrabaho ko siya. Kasi bukod of course sa napakagaling niyang kumanta, napaka-talented, he's also a good person. Sobrang grabe din yung wisdom niya, and I also consider him as, like, a mentor din. And ever since na we started working and performing together, mas lalo ko siyang hinahangaan kasi talagang, alam mo yon, sobrang professional. Tapos, basta, ang galing talaga ni Christian. Ako,
Wow.
I'm always in awe kapag nakakapag-perform kami ni Christian together. And right now, na meron kaming collaboration, of course, this is another song na gusto din namin iparating din sa mga tao na, alam mo yun, like, it's okay not to be okay. Palabas ba yun? It's okay na, like, to feel down sometimes. Because tao lang din naman tayo, di ba? Tsaka, it's not always, like, rainbows and butterflies naman pagdating sa mga sa mga pinagdadaanan natin sa buhay, di ba? Lagi nating iisipin na palaging may silver lining pa din. And we just work together so well, and I've never had a hard time working with Christian kasi I don't know, basta like all through the years na nag-work kami ni Christian, parang never talaga ako nagkaroon ng kahit anong like problema. Kasi masarap siyang katrabaho, tapos madami
Sige,
siya.
ibahin natin yan this year. Papahirapan kita this year para maiba naman.
Para may iba yung experience si Miss Julie, no?
Para iba naman yung kwento. Ay, ang hirap pala ni Christian na trabaho.
Nagkamot. Ikaw naman, Sir Christian, what was your reaction nung sinabi nilang you'll be working with Miss Julie again?
Mas obviously every year nagiging kaming close as a friend, as a colleague as well. Especially nung ginawa namin yung Still under View Philippines. Lock-in siya. It's a musical. It's a drama. And it's out now. And also, talagang merong mga times obviously na magkasama kami sa tour. Abroad, or sa concert niya na Limitless. Uy, may dadating din na concert siya na Limitless Part 3. Oh my God! Tapos, GMA shows sa region. So, I'm happy dahil we believe in each other. We work well together, at pag si Julie nga kapag pagdating niya sa rehearsal, she knows the songs, knows the dance, knows the script. So hindi mahirap. So very very professional. And ngayon pa lang yung itsura niya very very professional. Parang nahiya nga ako sa sarili ko, parang dapat pala nag-necktie ako or something. So, that's how she is. Alam mo yan? She comes to the project 100%. So talagang nung sinabi sa amin na meron kaming duet, of course, parang the answer was, oh yeah, no, it's been so long. Cruising was so long ago. Yeah, it is about time na merong isa pang duet again.
Well, nakakatuwa naman po yung relationship ninyo, and it goes to show talaga how good your chemistry is, kasi kung tuloy-tuloy yung mga projects coming your way na kayo ang magkasama, it goes to show talaga na people love having to see both of you on screen and listening to your music kasi you guys work so well. Now, this is kumbaga may connection din sa previous question ko, though somehow unconsciously na-answer niya siya, but this time around I want you to put a nail on it. Over the years ng pagiging magkatrabaho po ninyong dalawa, what is the greatest lesson you've learned from each other? Ano bang natutunan ni Miss Julie and San Jose kay Sir Christian, and Sir Christian kay Miss Julie? I'll go for Miss Julie first.
Ngip naman nung tanong. Kasi there's so many good things about Christian eh. Katulad nga din ng sinabi ko kanina, bukod sa napaka-professional niya, mabuti din siyang tao, tsaka madami siyang nai-impart sa akin na parang, oh, you know, like, this is how it's supposed to be pala, ganito, ganyan. And, he's such a good friend. Kasi like, parang nagkuya ko na rin kasi si Christian eh. Tsaka, nag-iisip na lang isa na sasabihin. Wala na kasi ako masabi kay Christian eh. You know, basta, masayang kasama palagi si Christian. Ano ba sabihin ko?
Okay na yun.
Okay na. Time na daw, time.
Super na yun, super. Ako naman, I'm just so happy na kapag nagtitito jokes ako or dad jokes, hindi niya ako iniiwan sa ere. Tumatawa siya kahit corny. So, ganun siya magsuporta. Pero I said it also kanina. She comes into a project 100% or more. I remember one of the few concerts na ginawa namin, yung Sweetheart and the Balladeer, na talagang every time she goes up on stage, talagang there's like, you know, this magic that comes out and just draws everyone in, focuses on her, na parang talagang she captures the audience right away. When she dances pa, I'm just so happy that I'm always not there every time she dances kasi talagang hirap na hirap ako sumunod. Pero talagang she comes in 100%. No matter what's going on in the world, in the Philippines, basta or in our lives, kapag merong project, she's ready, she knows it, and she's gonna do the job because that's her dream, that's her goal. Kaya nga siya binansagang Limitless kasi she's not done yet. There's still so many things na dadating sa kanya.
Aw, that was so nice. Grabe naman yun. Pero, totoo, nakakatuwa na bilang, coming from a fan of the both of you, nakakatuwa na makita kayo on this personal level. And I'm still at awe dun sa galing ninyong dalawa. Pero to have seen you have this relationship, hindi lang professional, it's way deeper than that, and nakakabilib lang po. Sana lahat ng tao ganyan ang klase ng relationship when they work together, hindi yung naghihilahan sila sa pababa, di ba? Yung pag yung isa umaangat, yung isa sara na lang yung isa. You guys are complementing each other beautifully. Now, dahil medyo mapuso yung kanina, itong second part po ng Q&A natin, we are quite gonna have fun. I think so. Ito po ay TikTok trend to eh. Ito po yung tinatawag natin put a finger down. So I have 10 scenarios for you guys, and you just have to put a finger down if nagawa niyo to. This way, people, your fans will know something trivial about you guys. So let's hold our fingers like this. Yaon! First po natin, kumakanta ka habang tulog. Put a finger down if you do that. Pero how would you know? How would you know na nakanta ka po? Pwede po ba kayong mag-survey dyan? Ginagawa ni Miss Julie, nakanta siya abang tulog.
Kasama ba ang nightmare?
Pwede na po. Basta nag-create po kayo ng ng sound.
Okay, well, the other night, I had a nightmare. My wife woke up because I said, oh! So, yun na ba yan?
Yes.
Okay.
Ako,
Iba naman pag...
For some reason, hindi ko alam kung paano. But like, sometimes kasi pag kunwari, kasama ko yung mommy ko or yung family member. Tapos makikita nila akong tulog. Like, minsan kumakanta daw ako habang natutulog. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ginagawa. Tsaka kung anong panog, like, anong itsura ko habang kumakanta, natutulog. So,
habang po ako sa IG ninyo, IG stories, so kaya TikTok kung makapag-post ka. Kahit footage lang po sa family members, Miss Julie, that will be super. So, eto po yung ikalawa, put the finger down if pumiyok na po kayo habang nagpe-perform. Grabe, naubos yung kay Sir Christian.
Isa lang ba? Isa lang ba?
Isa lang po, isa lang po. O,
Dami
diba?
ka ng beses eh.
Totoo ba? For someone so perfect, nagagawa niyo pa
No.
kung bumiyak. Paano pa kami? Totoong
I'm not
tao.
perfect. It happens on a tired day or parang ubus ka.
Happens.
It happens.
It happens. Hindi din naman kami. I mean, tao lang din naman kami. Nagkakamali lang din naman kami.
Grabe kung tao po kayo. Ano po kami? Uod po.
Hala, no.
Ito po.
Happen.
Ikatlo. Put a finger down kapag kinakabahan pa rin kayo during the show. Pero what do you do po pag kinakabahan kayo during the show or before the show? How do you calm yourself down?
Take deep breaths. Pray. Yun lang.
Ikaw, Sir Christian,
Oh.
paano mo kinakalma ang iyong sarili?
Take deep breaths, pray, yun lang. Saka, sinasabi ko sa sarili ko na nagawa mo na to. Alam mo na to. Ni-rehearse mo na to. Alam mo na to.
Totoo.
Kaya mo to.
Kunwari, rehearsal na lang.
Parang nagawa mo na to. Alam mo na to. You can do this. You've done this before. So,
Nice. Ayan. Ika-apat. So, put a finger down kung na-consider nyo ever na makipag-date sa fan. Ha?
Sino kaya?
Ayoko magtanong ng mga ganyan. Baka mapasabak tayo. Ayan. So, next question. Nangopya po ba kayo ever sa exam noon? Put a finger down. Okay lang po, wala na yata yung mga professor nyo ngayon. Sir Christian,
Paano kung sila yung nangopya sa akin? Pwede ba
Ay,
yun?
brain eh. Gusto
Sila
ko
yun
Ganun
ang
ba rin yun?
kopya.
Nangopya lang. Hindi yung nagpa-copy.
Hindi ako nangopya.
Ako din.
Sila yung nangopya.
Ay, gusto ko yung
Mali yun. Cheating is bad.
Parang ang sarap maging friend ni Miss Julie. Parang lagi ka nasa straight and narrow.
Cheating is bad. It's wrong.
Next question. Put a finger down kung na-consider mo nang ever na mag-migrate na lang sa ibang bansa.
Yes.
Kung yung bansa, a quick one, yung bansang yon, what country is it, Miss Julie?
Siguro Switzerland or anywhere in Europe.
Sir Christian, ikaw, anong bansa ang kinonsider mo na doon ka
The
magmamag-
USA.
Nice. Now, next question, put a finger down kung may habit kayong kausapin yung sarili ninyo.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think
Because I'm an introvert.
Diba?
Introvert.
Normal yata ginagawa ng tao yata yung kausapin mo yung sarili mo. Even kung sa mirror lang, lalo na kapag nagte-testing ka or yung creative juices mo gumagana, feeling mo nasa isang senaryo ka. Ginagawa naman talaga ng tao yun, di ba?
Basta walang makakarinig sa'yo kasi titingnan ka ng mga tao. Sana ikaw lang yun.
It helps though. It helps.
Totoo. Calming kasi pagkausap mo yung sarili mo eh. Hindi ko alam, pero ginagawa ko din kasi siya. So, number 8, put a finger down kung tumakas ka na sa parents or sa bantay mo para gumala.
Yeah.
Nagawa na ni Miss Julie. Akala ko talaga
Naman.
diretso tayo, straight and narrow.
Medyo parang joke lang. Hindi. Na-try ko naman na yun. I mean, nagawa ko naman na yun before. But I don't do that now because
Yari.
comes with age. Comes with age.
Totoo. Number 9. Put a finger down kung may time na nagre-reply ka sa mga bashers dahil sa sobrang agit ka na. When enough is enough, nag-reply ka.
Meron, nagawa ko na yan.
Oo. Nagawa ko na yan before. But like, hindi ko naman sila inaaway. I just reply in a nice way. Ayun. I still try to be nice. Kasi at the end of the day, wala ka naman talagang mapaplease ng mga tao, di ba? I mean, you can't please everybody. As long as you know you're not talking down sa yung mga ibang tao, you're fine. And wala kang tinatapakang ibang tao. Because basta ipagdasal mo na lang sila.
Ikaw,
And-
Sir Christian.
Ako, in a
Buti
nice
lang
way
ito.
din, inaaway ko tapos binablock ko. Pero in a nice way.
In a nice way. Yung in a nice way, alin yung mga passive-aggressive nice way ba yan? Oh, really nice way.
Basta
Keyboard.
lalagyan mo lang ng God bless sa dulo. God bless! Block.
God bless, roar.
Now, for the last time, for the last question pala, rather, put a finger down kung alam mo sa sarili mong magaling kang mag-multitask.
Yeah.
Mm.
I can say I am a pretty good multitasker.
Sabi nga daw nila, according to research, girls are better pagdating sa multitasking than guys. Totoo ba, Sir Christian? Do you think, ikaw kasi mayroon kang point of comparison, you have a wife. Yung wife mo ba ay mas magaling na multitasker kesa sa'yo?
Ano siya, mas focused si Kat. One item. Ako yung, siguro, okay, sige, ako na rin. Kasi kalat ako eh. Di ba? Pwede, okay, sige.
Ayan. So, ang natirang finger na lang sa kanila ay isa. So, ang hindi nila ginawa ever ay, if I'm not mistaken, ang i-consider na makipag-date sa taas.
Cheating,
Yan, both.
cheating.
And cheating. Yan. Yan yung mga hindi nila ginawa. So, that is our put our finger down. So, sa mga fans po na nasa comment section, you can take that one. Take note of that one. At yan yung mga trivial for you guys. Now, before I move on do sa next portion ng ating interview, I just wanna read some comments kasi most of your fans are on the comment section right now. Sabi ni Jasmine Pineda, sobrang humble ni Miss Julie Ann. Ayan. Sabi naman dito ni Catherine Silvestre, ang dami kong natututunan kay Kuya Christian. Ayan. Hello daw sa inyong dalawa. You can greet your fans, by the way. They are flooding our comment section right now.
Okay. Magbati tayo. Hi guys! Sabi ni Erlinda Paslita. Hi Julie and Christian.
Ayan.
Yan.
Yan, hello sa inyo guys. Ayan, continue nyo lang
Hello
po.
to Dides.
Ayan. Continue na lang yung comments ninyo dyan sa comment section. They can see your comments. So if you want to greet them, go ahead. Pwede nyo pa rin po i-share tong live na ito. Now, moving forward dun sa medyo end part na ng ating conversation. Ito ay tanong because everybody is very much curious. Lalong-lalo na sa nasa likod ni Sir Christian, the Everybody Hurts. Tungkol saan ba tong kantang tong Everybody Hurts? What do the people need to know about this song? Anong puso nito? Anong inspiration behind this? Saan nanggaling ang Everybody Hurts?
Wow, those are like 3 questions. Okay. Nasabi na ni Julie kanina na this song talks about pain that happens to everyone. Everyone goes through pain. And it's up to us to hopefully deal with it as best as we can. It's okay to have pain from time to time. Hindi natin kailangan maging toxic positive na binabaliwala lang to. Ano pa ba yung next questions? It was produced by an international producer from Julie. You wanna take this?
Yes, this was produced and written by
Our producers from Sweden.
si Matilda.
Yes.
She's from Sweden. So nung ginagawa namin yung recordings, because she wrote the song medyo mahirap din kasi na makipag-meet because, like time constraint, tapos nasa ibang nasa ibang time zone pa din siya. Kaya, ayun, we really tried our best to make it work, make it happen, because it's such a beautiful song. And we're just very happy na nagkaroon kami ng ganitong klaseng opportunity to collaborate with an international producer and a songwriter. So thank you to Universal Records as well for paving the way. Ayun. This is also intended for global release pala. Ayun. We're very happy to share this because yun, tago sa puso. It's very timely as well kasi nakaka-uplift din ng spirit. And it reminds us na, alam mo yon, tao lang din naman tayo, matatapos din lahat ng mga pinagdadaanan natin. So, yun.
I'm very much
Amen.
excited dito sa Everybody Hurts. Kasi totoo siya eh. Sabi nga ni Miss Julie, it's very timely and hindi naman natin maitatanggi na at this point in our lives, we can all safely say na hindi lang ikaw yung may pinagdadaanan. All of us does have something na personal nating pinagdadaanan. Not because everybody is smiling, not because everybody is cheerful. Ibig sabihin, behind that smile, wala nang nangyayari. So, we have to be mindful and sensitive sa emotions ng iba, regardless kung nakangiti yan o hindi. Now, dito sa title pa lang kasi, it's a very soulful song. I'm sure you have a favorite part dyan sa song na yan. So, I want each of you to pick one line, or sabihin na natin kahit two, favorite line from that song. And then, if there's anyone you would like to dedicate it to, put them in mind as well, and then I'll ask you kung ano yung linyang yon and kung sa tingin nyo kanino nyo i-dedicate yung kantang yon. So, unahin ko na muna this time around ay si Sir Christian. So, Sir Christian, if there's any line, a line or two from that song na gusto mong kunin and i-dedicate to someone, who is that someone and ano yung line? Tapos pa-sample na din ako dun sa line na yun,
Okay.
Sir. Kantang line.
So, I'll say the line muna. Look at yourself in the mirror. Para to sa mga hindi naghihilamos at hindi masyado naliligo, no? Kailangan natin yan para maging healthy natin. Pero, if follow mo yung next line, and try to be kind to yourself. So, talagang sinasabi din ng kanta na minsan kasi nababaon tayo, yun nga, sa pain, negativity. Go through it with a friend, the Lord, a family member, acknowledge it, and really realize that everyone is also hurting at kaya mong maka-recover dyan. Yeah.
Ang ganda naman nung line na napili ni Sir. Ngayon, going to Miss Julie, anong line ito at para kanino? Tapos pakanta din kami ng line, Miss Julie.
There's like a line that I remember. Basta parang it really nag-ano siya sa akin eh. Tumata kasi siya yun eh. The sun is rising anyway. Keep your head up. You will find a better day. Yeah, that was such a good line. The sun is rising anyway. Keep your head up. You will find a better day. Para ito, hindi someone eh. Sige, sa mga supporters ko na lang. Sa lahat ng mga nagpa-follow sa akin since day one. Ayun, I know that a lot of us have experienced, like pain, loss, grief. We all have bad days. And like sometimes kasi hindi natin kontrolado yung mga bagay-bagay, 'di ba? So, ayun, lagi lang nalatatandaan na it's okay. We all have a lot na pinagdadaanan sa buhay natin. Kahit sa anong aspeto pa man 'yan. But you don't have to feel alone because somebody else gets it. And it's totally fine to talk about how you feel, what's on your mind. And in fact, nga yun eh, may relief kasi yun eh kapag sinasabi mo or like sinishare mo sa isa pang tao because they might be feeling something similar. And it's really important to understand that we are not our thoughts. We just have to accept. Acceptance is a good start. That's one way to cope up with things. So, ayun, instead of seeing ourselves in a negative light, why not, uplift ourselves, empower ourselves, or like motivate ourselves to be better. Kasi at the end of the day, tayo lang din naman na makakatulong sa sarili natin, diba? Ayun. Kaya it's really important to have that optimistic mindset all the time.
Grabe naman pala yung puso ng song na to, di ba? It continuously reminds us, Kabisyo, na maraming mahirap na bagay, pero hindi sila imposible. O, di ba? Kumbaga, tayo lang yung pumipigil sa mga sarili natin to achieve whatever it is that we wanna do. And thank you, Miss Julie and Sir Christian, for making us realize and reminding us that everything that we want is still possible if we'll only believe in ourselves. So, this is the moment we're in, guys, na I hate to let you guys go, pero grabe na po din kasi ihina ako sa kaba, ang sakit na din po ng dibdib ko kasi kumakabog siya na mas mabilis two times faster than the usual. So, before I let you go, please do invite them to support this very beautiful song, and of course follow you on your socials as well. I'll let Miss Julie take the floor first. Miss Julie, go ahead.
Thank you again. Maraming salamat po, DJ Lala. Thank you again, Love Radio, for having us. I hope this is not gonna be the last time. Definitely not, kasi definitely may mga music pa din kami na i-release ni Christian. Hopefully together and separately as well. Thank you all so much again for your support sa lahat ng mga viewers natin na nanonood ngayon. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And please don't forget to stream, download, save Everybody Hurts. It's out na po sa lahat ng digital platforms. It's under Universal Records. Yes, let's all support OPM, and you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. It's at myjaps, MYJAPS. You can also like my Facebook page. It's myjaps official. I also have a TikTok. I forget what's my TikTok again? I forgot.
Hanapin ko.
It's like San Jose Jules ata. And then I also have a YouTube channel. It's Julie and San Jose official. Ayun.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
San Jose Jules, tama.
Tagal ko na kasi hindi nagtitiktok eh.
Tama. San Jose Jules. Okay,
Christian.
Magtingin-tingin kayo sa kanto sa Imus. Andun ako tumatambay.
Pag ako pumunta dyan, Sir Christian, tapos hindi kita nakita, madidisappoint ako.
Mag-text ka muna.
Sige.
Obviously, we're here for Everybody Hurts, our new single under Universal Records. We would like to thank them for still believing in us up to now. And yes, please stream it, save it, share it. I am on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, lahat nga, opportunista nga TikTok, Facebook Gaming, Kumu, yung Friendster ko yata active pa rin, ganon eh. So talagang X-Chan Bautista. So if you would like to follow and check out my
you also like to follow us on Laika and send gems.
That will be great.
So if you would like to follow an introvert, hindi po ako nagpo-post. Pero pag meron, baka ma-surprise kayo. Also, please check out still on view. It's still up. Watch out for Julie's Limitless, the third one.
Yes.
And All Out Sundays. Please watch for that as well. Pero the best also that you can do also is watch out for the music video. It's coming up of Everybody Hurts. Sa YouTube.
Yeah. It's coming out tomorrow.
Yeah.
Friday, 7:30.
Yeah.
Wait.
Check it out.
Friday ba o today? Today ata yun, di ba?
Today.
Oo nga, oh my gosh. Oo nga, today nga. Ala.
Check it out.
Not oriented. Sorry. Mamaya na pala yun, guys. Abangan niyo po music video ng Everybody Hurts sa official Facebook page official YouTube channel ng Everybody Hurts.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Universal Records.
ng Universal Records. Sorry, my bad. Yes, 7:30. May countdown po kami mamaya. So,
Ayan.
catch us on Facebook as well at 7:00 p.m.
Yeah.
Ayan. Thank you very much, Miss Julie and Sir Christian, sa lahat mga ng fans ninyo na nag-aabang ng release ng video na to, ng Limitless Trilogy na talagang kino-comment dito sa ating comment section. You can always follow their socials for more updates. Again, maraming salamat po for gracing this interview with me, Miss Julian and Sir Christian. Kayo po ang naging kape ko ngayong araw na to. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, DJ
po.
Lala.
Thank you very
Fun.
much. Ayan,
We
thank you
hope
po.
to see you in the office someday soon when all things are okay.
Sige po, inom po muna ako ng maraming tubig before ko po kayo kilalanin ng personal. Maraming salamat, Sir Christian and Miss Julian San Jose, guys.
Thank
There
you,
have
guys.
it. Ayan, ang ating session with them. It has been a very special afternoon and I hope you guys did enjoy that special interview, another special session brought to you by Love Radio Manila. And before I go, just a quick reminder, magsisimula na po ang ating Operation Feel Good, Do Good para Feel Good. Our 47th year anniversary celebration through a fundraising campaign in partnership with Manila Broadcasting Company's Operation Tulong. We have 4 live streams starting on February 4 to 7. You can catch Truth or Dare ng Tambalan on the 4th, Jam Harot ni Rocky Terra and Team EDSA on the 5th. 6th will be a Mobile Legends live stream with me. Ayan, hayaan niyo sabihan natin Sir Christian, samahan ako.
Wow.
Ayan! And on the 6th,
Support.
thank you. And on the 6th, we have acoustic sessions. All proceeds po all na malilikom namin, ang proceeds po nito ay MBC Operation Tulong to help give back sa community who put us sa number 1 spot, and of course to help yung ating less fortunate kababayan to get through this pandemic season era. Hindi ko alam, pero I hope you guys are very hopeful, and if you want a boost sa inyong mga moral, boost sa inyong hope, ayan, please do catch Everybody Hurts ni Miss Julian San Jose and Sir Christian Bautista. Again, this has been DJ Lala Banderas for yet another session brought to you by Love Radio Manila, the station that makes you feel good. Goodbye, everybody!
Bye.